You still like kind of in disbelief? It's really happening. Mom! Family! We're going to pick up Mama Bear. What the?
Oh my God!
I'm finna say, what
Exactly.
You would think what I was thinking, right?
Yeah, why she look like her?
Quit smoking so much, baby. So that smoke will take you out of here. Take you down somewhere.
Well, I know. I'm like, what the? Okay, yeah.
That
Wow.
was not. No, okay, I get it now. She's coming back.
Yeah, right. It's we almost seen a doppelganger, bro. We almost seen a doppelganger. Wow. I'm talking about like, wow, there was hairdo, shape, dress style, everything. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna pick up Mama Bear, y'all. It's happening. Me and Chicken almost just thought we seen her walking on the street. But it's going down, man. It's the day. It's been what, since February, Chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Roosty, say what's up, bro. Yeah, man. It's going down, y'all. Mob!
They tell the same story so much they start to believe it.
Mob! So, we waiting. She told me to be here at 1:30. It's 1:25. We got 5 minutes. And we waiting, bro. We waiting. I'm just waiting on the phone to ring. And, yeah. It's gonna be exciting. Mob!
They tell the same story so much they start to believe it.
What's that mean?
Oh. Boo!
Mob. Whoa, hold on. Yo, Mob, what it do, broski? It's my man, Davey, McFlyy, 2 Wise, man, in the Mob Museum. We about to do it a little different. We're gonna kick it different today. You know what I'm saying? I know the light in the little office a little dark. Y'all just rock with me. You know what I'm saying? Rock with me. I'm my OG's youngest, day ones, new members like, y'all know I need 100 likes up at you, bro. Please, appreciate it. It'll take us a long way, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe and notified if you haven't already, bro. You don't want to miss none of this fact. Look, check this out. Got Mama Bear some heat right here, right? Got him some heat. They here. She ain't seen them yet, dog. She ain't even seen them yet. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm gonna have to fix that later. But yeah, she ain't seen them yet. Knife on deck. Got the box on deck, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take it downstairs. I'm gonna let her peep it out. Y'all, come on. Y'all come with me, bro. But yeah. Other than that, bro, I hope y'all having a good day today, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy coolin', you know what I mean? Tried to trim up my little beard a little bit. Looking scruffy, looking raggedy. We're gonna get it together though. You know what I mean? Trying to get my little beard right, bro. I don't know how long it's gonna make it. We gonna see. We're gonna check this out. Time to get to it, how we can do it. Hey! Gang on deck. Gang. Rooster man in the building. Chicken Beezy on deck. You know what I'm saying? Hey. And got the shoes. I'm gonna bust them open for her while she make her a sandwich. Bang. Right here, right?
My school put away.
What you talking about, Ruth?
Ruth, are you gonna eat?
Now, Mom wanted to see your reaction. You got these.
Me?
Mm-hmm. You go to shoes.
I got a watch.
Huh? What?
I got a watch. I got a Rolex.
He's crazy.
Did I get a Rolex? Wait, what? StockX.
Yeah, that's their new little cards.
That's dumb.
Y'all know they be coming with little different cars. I guess they trying to bait people up to collect them or whatever the case may be.
Ooh.
There they go.
Ooh. These are dope.
I'm really surprised you like them.
Why are you surprised I like this?
I don't know. I was just surprised that you liked them.
Yeah, these are cool.
Yeah. No, you finna fat Joe them Jones. Oh, they dirty for real?
No, it's just a little lip gloss.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I like that. That's nice.
Yeah, them lace tips are pretty tough.
Yeah.
Tough money.
This StockX little thing got to come off of here though.
They gonna look cool. Yeah. We don't do rock. We ain't rocking no StockX tags. That's pretty weak. That one is tough though.
Nice.
That one tough.
I like the metallic. I would feel like I can pump it up.
That's another one of my favorite parts too, the little hit on the tongue.
Yeah. And that nigga check.
Yep.
Yeah, these are dope.
I'm gonna sauce them
These
down.
are my first Air Max 90s.
Yeah.
My other ones, my goat ones.
97.
97s? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like them.
Trying to see if they got the date that we purchased on there. They got a date up there. So y'all have an idea of a time how StockX doing with shipping right now. You know what I'm saying? You do the calculations, you do the math on that right there. So yeah, bro, I forgot. This camera only recorded up to like 5 minutes or something. That's why we cut off. We're going back up to the office right now. Cause I got me some too. You know what I'm saying? I got me some too. And we're gonna get to it how we do it. Thought I need to turn this light on. Cause it's dark, but yeah, bro, I got me a box here too, man. What you mean, cuz? Wait 1 second. 1 second. Be right back, dog. Ma, back. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get up in my box now, broski. Yeah. I'm gonna try not to take all day. Where the blade go? I just had it. And I think I left it downstairs, bro. I did. Gotta go in there caveman style. Gotta go in there caveman style. Dang, I left the blade downstairs. I got another one up here. Hey, salute my brother Time, you know what I'm saying? I got the OG Janky Jank. I got the OG Jank Master. It's definitely janky, boy. I gotta watch this one. I've been cut all my fingers off. Make sure I'm being careful, you know what I'm saying? And after this box, bro, after these sneakers, like, I don't know. Sneaker reviews gonna be far and, you know what I mean, few right here, cause I don't know, I just wanna do other stuff now. And I wanted to make sure I kind of transition out of sneakers how I came in. And you know what I'm saying? Us as sneakerheads, we always preach to y'all, bro. If you get into tough times, sell your shoes because you can get them back. Like, bro, if you get into tough times, bro, sell them junks. You can get them back. They always come back. You know what I'm saying? This is the perfect example of that. If you've been watching this channel for a minute, bro, you know this is the first Jordan I put on here. The first Air Jordan I think I put on the channel. This one right here, bro. You know what I'm saying? This one just won me a sneaker battle. I've had this sneaker once in high school because I stole it from my brother and had to hide it from wearing it from him. You know what I mean? And then had to sneak it back to him so I didn't get to keep it while I was in high school. When I got grown, as soon as I got enough money and found a pair that was wearable, bought that junk, the original. You know what I'm saying? The retro, bought it, hit tough times, sold the retro. Cause it was a tad bit snug on my foot, bruh. Like, honestly, if it went a little bit snug and I needed to go a size up, this one right here is a 10.5. Hot, covered up the label, you don't even look. 10.5. They always come back, bro. They definitely come back. They definitely come back if you doing it for the right reasons. If you moving right out here, you can definitely put yourself in a position to get them back. You know what I'm saying? So, bro, don't be, look. And how I'm feeling right now, everything you see behind me might be gone. You know what I'm saying? Cause I already know one day in my next house, I'ma have all of it all over again. You know what I'm saying? Man, this material stuff, bro, don't be afraid to let it go. Don't be afraid to let it go, especially if it's to benefit yourself, your family, and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And let's get up into the box so y'all can see what I'm talking about. From StockX, what kind of card they sent me? They sent me a Supreme box logo hoodie. I got a little Supreme box logo jank. Receipt from the shoe. Hey, I hope they dead, bro. I hope they really, like, truly dead stock. Fresh pair. That ain't bad. The toe ain't bad on this one. I can get jiggy with this. Definitely been tried on. It's definitely been tried on for sure. But nah. It's the left shoe. Let's peek the right. Let's see what's up with the right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big body crease right there, but I mean, we all know this nigga is notorious for creasing. Anyway, but the thing about it though, bro, if you do it right, you'll be cool. If you do it right, you'll be cool. And it's crazy. This one got a shoehorn in like it's never been. This one look as if it's never been factory unlaced, or this one look as if it's never been tried on. But I already know how it's going with that StockX. I ain't tripping, bro. I'm just glad I got them back. Really, I'm just glad I got them back. I'm just glad I got the joints back, bro. Finna get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got for y'all today. And hey, make sure you got the notification bell on all, bro, cause I can go live at any given time. Mom back home, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can go live at any given time. We could be talking about anything, bro. I could be gaming. You know what I'm saying? We could be talking about sports, hip hop, or anything, bro. It ain't just shoes. You know what I'm saying? Trust me. Mob, out of here. Y'all enjoy y'all day, man. Doot. You know what? Peace.